Hey guys, it's Ashley here from the Recipe Rebel, and today we're gonna make a no-bake lemon raspberry icebox cake. I was a little skeptical when I made my first icebox cake, but they're super simple and I know you guys are gonna love it. So we're gonna start by pouring the cream into our bowl. So we're just gonna whip it until we have soft peaks. So now we're gonna add in the powdered sugar and the vanilla. And we're just gonna keep whipping until we have stiff peaks. So you know it's done when the peaks hold up nice and stiff. So I'm gonna switch over to a spatula now. I'm gonna fold in my lemon curd. Be nice and gentle and do it slowly so that your whipped cream doesn't get too flat. It's actually okay if the lemon curd isn't totally combined. The yellow swirls will help people to know what's inside. So we're just gonna set this aside and we're gonna get our baking dish. So I'm using an 8" by 8" square baking dish, and I'm gonna start layering my graham crackers in the bottom. So you might have to break some to fit, that is totally fine. So I'm gonna spread half of this lemon curd whipped cream right on top. So you're gonna have to be a little bit careful when you're spreading so that it doesn't move too much on the bottom. But once you get the first layer down, you'll be set. So I'm gonna add half of my raspberries right on top. So now I'm going to add a second layer of graham crackers right on top of the raspberries. So you wanna press down a little bit on the graham crackers just so everything kinda smushes together. And if they're overlapping a little bit, it doesn't matter. The whipped cream is gonna soften everything. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my lemon whipped cream right on top of these graham crackers. Now I'm just gonna top it with the rest of the raspberries. So this is a great job for the kids to do. They love to help out with the berries. I'm putting mine in rows, but you can totally go freeform and put them wherever you want. So I'm just gonna cover this in plastic wrap, and in a few hours, the graham crackers will be soft and your cake will be ready. So after a few hours in the fridge, your graham crackers are soft and you're ready to serve. This is the perfect recipe for a summer barbecue when raspberries are just starting to pop up in the grocery stores. For the full recipe, go to thereciperebel.com.